Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can report for a doctor in your Flow app. So guys, if you have serious problems in your uterus or any other parts related to gynecology, and you want to have a doctor or a specialist look into it, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open Flow. And guys, once you've opened Flow, just go ahead and tap on this top left corner button over here. And now you can see many options over here, like report for a doctor, graphs and reports, cycle and ovulation, and many more. We just need to go ahead and tap on report for a doctor. So guys, this is how your report would look like. So to create a report for your doctor to see, just go ahead and tap on this button right here that says unlock health report. So guys, to unlock your health report, you would just have to get a premium subscription, or you can just enable your free trial and create a report that way too. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.